So I am on the way to Easy's place for Friendsgiving. I am running behind because my oven broke. You guys, like, that's the worst time to break, right before Thanksgiving. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I need to pay attention driving. So I will vlog when I get there, but your girl is a hot mess right now. Hi guys, today me and Easy, he's semi like cooking right now, so he's kind of busy, but we're doing Friendsgiving. So I cooked or prepped pretty much everything, but Easy wants to put his little razzle dazzle on it. Razzle dazzle. Let me flip the camera.
Even the razzle dazzle, dude. It's a little something.
So we're having chicken instead of turkey because chicken is way easier, and I like chicken better. I don't know what's in here.
Don't worry about that.
All right, secret recipe.
Don't worry about that.
And then my mom made greens. My rolls
Your mama made
deflated.
these? Oh.
My rolls deflated. And then I made mac and cheese, which I'll show you guys me making it because I did film it. So let's get to that clip first, and then we'll get back to the vlog part. So I'm going to start off by cooking my noodles. It says 6 minutes for al dente, so I'm going to cook the pasta for 6 minutes. And this is the pasta I had. Literally all the elbow pasta was sold out, but I get it because Thanksgiving. But anyways, I'm going to put this in the pot. Alright. I'm just going to put the whole bag because I'm making it for me and Easy and then my family as well. So I'm gonna let this boil for 6 minutes. I like that my phone put the light on so you guys can see. This is the first time I ever made macaroni and cheese from scratch, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so my mac and cheese is cooked, so I'm going to add a stick of butter. So I have salted and I have unsalted, so hopefully it's not gonna be too salty because I know the cheese is salty. So I wanna mix it up while it's still hot. I'm using one hand, so that's why I'm struggling. You see that smoke is hot. And then I'm gonna also add the cheese as well. So, uno momento. All right, so this is the cheese. I added the Italian cheese and sharp cheddar. I also added some sour cream as well, and I'm going to add this Velveeta cheese to make it creamy. So let me mix that all together. Okay, so I'm kind of nervous because it's not giving creamy, it's giving very much stuck together. But anyways, I'm gonna add this egg and milk custard stuff, and I put a little bit of seasoning in there. So we're gonna pour this in there and pray for the best because it looks quite interesting. Okay, it actually looks better after I added that custard, so thank goodness. So I'm going to add it to a baking dish, and I'm gonna bake it later so it's like nice and hot when like we do our Friendsgiving. So let me put it in a pan. I hope this turned out good because I'm nervous as heck. So this is what it looks like before I bake them. I added a little bit of paprika, you know, to make it look a little fancy dancy. So I'm gonna bake them for a little bit so that they're brown on top and delicious.
Subscribers on Snapchat.
You are?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I didn't know until I checked the other day.
So we're gonna have wine. I got Stella Rose pineapple. I don't know if you ever
Don't-
tried it before.
Don't be telling them what it. Just tell them it's pineapple. Hey, how y'all doing, y'all? It's pineapple. We can't be out here promoting stuff.
Oh, so you poured yourself a glass? I thought you were pouring me a glass.
Just kidding. April Fools.
Mm-hmm. Easy already started eating the mac and cheese.
Hold on, what you say?
He started eating.
I didn't start eating nothing.
And our chicken's not ready, so.
Bro, I ain't even taste this. It came over here like this.
Nah.
What are you talking about? Oh shit, it's hot.
Yeah.
You better?
Mm-hmm. First time. How are you touching it? It's hot. Isn't it hot?
You made this.
Yeah, but we need to like eat for Friendsgiving. Like you're about to.
Hey. Okay, hot.
I'm gonna sip my wine because the chicken has like 7 more minutes. So.
7 more minutes?
Mhm.
Yeah. Hey, what you doing?
I'm waiting. It's 7 seconds left on the clock. 5, 4.
I'm about to come out burnt, boy.
Why would you say that? Because it didn't need more time. I think it was done before. Is it burnt?
What?
It looks black.
Do you know who was making this? Every time you say something,
Okay.
it's always with
It
bad.
doesn't look bad.
It's harsh.
It doesn't.
You like, it looks bad.
No, it looks good. It looks perfect. I think it's done.
You think it's done or you know it's
No,
done?
I know it's done.
Alright, bruh. Because you taking the first slice. We're going to have to let it chill. You dig?
Oh, I thought you were going to put it there.
Oh.
So now we can cook. I don't know what Easy's putting on the bread, but it's done. And this is what it looks like. I know it looks hectic because my oven broke.
I know what
And
it
it's
is.
deflated.
I
So
know exactly what it is. You see that? It's delicious, bub.
and the chicken wasn't done, so we put it back in the oven for a little bit.
Yeah.
And I burned myself. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't.
Yeah, it probably can't.
But it's right there.
You should show him.
I showed him.
Wait.
I feel like this is like Texas Roadhouse, the butter that they put on their rolls.
They put butter on the rolls at Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah.
I've never tasted them.
Have you been?
Yes.
Oh.
Silly girl. Texas Roadhouse. Really? It's one right across the street.
There is?
Yes.
Why have we never went?
Or we go there.
Why not?
Or.
Mm-hmm.
All right then.
There. I'm gonna stop recording because my hand is burning.
All right then. I'm sorry.
It's finally done. He's trying to cut the. Can you see when I'm up there?
Well, it's hard with my right hand. It's like I know what I want to do, but it wasn't doing what I was telling it to do.
Mm-hmm.
You dig?
Dang. We're not gonna. You got it?
Of course.
Kind of.
What? Definitely got it. That's what I wasn't trying to do. But
It's okay.
that means you made a succulent chicken, Jasmine.
Good.
It's really succulent.
It's been cooking for 6 years, I feel like.
Well, it's been cooking too.
So our food is finally prepared. He's gonna give this to the cats, even though I don't think you're supposed to give this to the
Hey,
cats.
put the camera on me.
Okay.
Look, a house cat is nothing like an outside cat, okay? An outside cat is gonna swallow the bones and digest them in the morning. Like, what's the problem?
I guess waste not.
I know, I throw it in the trash when it's all types of critters outside.
I can't show you guys outside because I don't want you to know where he lives, but he's gonna throw it out there, which is so weird. Because I know that, let me turn it around. Because I thought that dogs can't eat chicken bones. Let me know in the comment section, because I was like, dogs can't, but can cats eat chicken bones? Is that a thing? But anyways, we're gonna finally eat something. I feel like it's been like an hour.
The good deed is done.
All right.